Hey guys, here's through Goodman's. And this one? And this one. Oh, this one's a Goodman scroll compressor. Oh, this one's a 2012 Goodman. This one's running. And now it's not running. Another 2012. It's a 5-ton from 2012 Goodman. Has a Goodman scroll compressor, 2 Goodmans. And this one's a carrier. There's a package unit. I think there's some more over there. Nope, no more. There's a tall Goodman. This is hard to take it out. It's maybe a June 2012. It's a Goodman scroll. Emerson Goodman scroll. That one's not running. Not running. That one's running. This one is a September of 2012. Goodman. There are 2 Goodmans. That one's a 5-ton, and this one's a 4-ton. Right over there is another Goodman. There's these